Hello guys, good evening and welcome to this live. Okay, I just want to make a short live this Sunday evening. I wanted to make a video, but I may not have time to do it because this week I'm on work back to back. So I just felt that I should come on live and say what I want to say. Okay, please, as you're coming in, don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can keep recommending it. Back then, in when I started YouTube space, when I started YouTube, making YouTube videos, creating content, to be specific, I didn't know there was something like as in Nigerian community on YouTube. Actually, I was actually sharing my videos on Facebook for people to comment. Then I think my videos bumped into Uchenwezi or something like that. She was the one that now told me that, okay, come over to, there's how we do it here on YouTube, and she introduced me to one Igbo YouTube group. From there, I later met Story of Motherhood and her notification gang then. Okay, and that was how we started. We joined this YouTube, doing all this stuff for stuff. Welcome, whoever is here, welcome. Sweetie. Okay, that was how we started this YouTube peacefully, with love. In fact, I saw love. Nigerian communities that are YouTubers, especially those that are abroad, they kept sharing our videos, running our playlists, doing everything for us to get what will I call it, for us to get monetized back then. Okay, we were trying to do a kind of sub for sub. There was this live stream we visit them. I've forgotten his name, but one Jamaican guy then. Back then, he does live stream. He will shout you out. You get subscribers even before YouTube now notice that people do sub for sub, and later off that part, you can no longer click on a particular person's profile to be able to subscribe. Instead, you have to go and search for the person's name. They made it much more difficult so that to discourage all this sub for sub. But things were actually working on well. Then there was so much love, like massive love from the community, the Nigerian community. In fact, things were working well until this day when I think where the first issue on YouTube started, when DVM vlog made a video. Then welcome, whoever joined, welcome. Just keep listening and drop your comments at the comment section. Okay, DVM vlog, then she made a video about Port Harcourt YouTubers, at least praising them, because then Port Harcourt YouTubers were actually collaborating together. The love was just massive. Okay, so when she made this video praising Port Harcourt YouTubers, then what now happened was that there was this lady that just came into YouTube within that period of time. Her name was actually Dynamic Victoria. Okay, when she came in to YouTube that time, so she had a contrary opinion to what DVM vlog said back then. Welcome to everybody that is listening to me on this live. Welcome. She had her own opinion, separate, different from what DVM vlog said then. Okay, so what she now made her own video. It was her own opinion. Okay, so then ekwueme came to comment. Before you know it, there was problem. Uchenwezi, that was how they dragged both okeke, everything, because she actually praised ekwueme, and she put the picture of Dinah and okeke. She praised Dinah, she did not praise Nelo. Then Dinah came to comment. Dinah did not know that they didn't praise Nelo. She commented immediately. She heard her name. According to her, then the story, according to her, immediately she heard about her own part where she praised her. She now left a comment and she welcome. Please like the stream. If you like the stream, YouTube will keep recommending it. Please like this stream. Okay, I want us to have peace in this Nigerian YouTube space. That's why I'm making this video, because the quarrel and everything is becoming too much. There's a lot of quarrel everywhere, and I don't really like it. It's discouraging people like us, okay? So let me make this video, and this was how the disagreement started. After she praised one of them, like the stream, please keep liking the stream. After she praised one of them, she did not praise. Okay, welcome, welcome. Just bong, you said you are new to my channel. Dynamic Victoria, good. I think you have information about what happened back then, but let me just explain something. She praised one person, she didn't praise the other person, and she added their video, the both of them, their photo on the thumbnail of the video that she made, that got the other person angry. And when the other person saw that her friend actually commented on that very video that did not praise her but praised, she felt she did not really accept it within her, and that was when the whole issue, the whole saga started. This one was trying to explain to this one, but it was all just a misunderstanding. Now let me explain something. Back then when I was in secondary school, there was this leadership workshop I was opportune to attend, and that has changed a lot of the way I think, the way I reason. Most times I give another person benefit of the doubt. Please welcome and like the stream, okay? I give the other person benefit of the doubt to be sure that, okay, the other person possibly is not possibly the other person that they are talking about may have his or her own good reason why she did whatever she did. I want to hear from the person, because back then there was this story of a Yoruba man and what's the name of this a Calabar man, and then a Hausa man, and then the British normally to pronounce champion was champion. Why the Calabar man? Because he doesn't have C in his alphabet. I think something like that. He pronounced it as Yampion, kind of. Abi Akwa Ibom man, something like that. Why the Hausa man doesn't have P, he will pronounce it as champion. Like that. So when they came, the other person was passing. When the other person was calling champion, he was trying to correct him. He told him it's not champion, it's Yampion. And this was exactly, this language is not their own, but they started arguing about it until they almost wound themselves. In fact, they fought themselves arguing about this thing until the Englishman came and told them, please, oh, you are even wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. The correct pronunciation is champion. And so this story, using this story, you will know that everything that happened back then was misunderstanding. And misunderstanding, if not managed well, can, in fact, it can escalate into something else. And that is what is happening right now with the Nigerian community. After that, there was this issue of Lily Pope and what's her name again? Oh, hey, oh, I'm not good with names. Sandra Reality, yes. There was this issue of, which is also a misunderstanding again, and it wasn't really managed well. A lot of other issue came up with story of motherhood and co. And story of motherhood is, she was the first person that started this reaction of a thing. Now there is what they said, what they taught us back then during this leadership workshop is about giving and receiving feedbacks. There is a way you give feedback. There is a way. Welcome. Lights, constant lights in Abakaliki. And we are paying for it now. We are paying for it. Please like the stream. As you're coming in, just click like on the stream for me, this live stream, so that YouTube can keep recommending it. Don't reach, I can see you. Josh Bong USA. I can see you. I don't want to bite my tongue. Go. Look at me. I am the streamer now. I am the streamer now. Welcome to all of you listening to me, okay? So back to what I was saying. Everything that is happening is misunderstanding. But now, what they've managed to do with all this misunderstanding, because there is a way you give feedback, there is a way you receive feedback. The only problem I can say, okay, maybe story of motherhood had then, with all those her reaction, is the name calling. Because sometimes she gets too, she's the type that talks and her voice is very, very loud, and she gets as far as using some kind of words that she's not supposed to use then, okay? But she was only reacting, she was creating content, but then it did not go down well with a lot of people. Gradually the whole team started dividing, splitting, these people for these people, these people for these people, and this is what I don't want to be part of. I don't want to be in any position where I'll have to choose a side. That's why I've been silent about this whole thing. But for several years now, it has been from one problem to another, from that very first one, okay? It has been from one problem to another, to another, to another. We no longer share ourselves. We no longer collaborate with ourselves. It is because of collaboration that so many content creators grew today. It is collaboration that grew Dinah. It is collaboration that grew Nelo Okeke. It is collaboration Chantel Anyanwu. It is collaboration Uche Nwezi. It is collaboration even Adeze Space that grew her. It is this same collaboration that grew and sharing of all these videos that grew people like Lily Pope. It is this same collaboration that is contributing. If you watch the statistics, you will see that if a bigger YouTuber shares you, you will see that you will grow to some extent. And if you have good videos, before you know it, you go viral. That's how it has been. As in, there was collaboration, there was sharing and everything, until all this hatred and all these things started. Now, reactors, please, I beg you people in the name of God, when you want to react, please react in such a way that if it is you that somebody reacts about like that, you will take it. Don't react in such a way that when you react on somebody and another person come and react on you that way, you will not like it. Like the stream for me, okay? And another person come back and react on you that way, you will start squeezing your face. You cannot take what you're giving. If you want to react to a video, react with love. You must not use vulgar languages. You must not use insultive words. You must not use there's what we call constructive criticism. Constructive criticism. You criticize constructively. When you want to criticize, you bring the point, align it, and react very well to it, okay? And it must not be negative. Pity people. When you do negative today, do negative tomorrow. You do positive for that person next tomorrow. How can you keep doing negative on one person? If it is you, they are picking all your negative side. Will you be happy? We have negative, we have positive, we have the good, the bad, and ugly in everybody. If it is you that they are reacting on only your negative side, will you be happy? So please, let us learn all these things and let us have peace. We should stop making videos, insulting videos, putting nonsense. Is it because of the money? Is it because of the money? Last, look at the last 2 years, or is it 1 year now? Was it not last year that Ebo Media died in this our Nigerian YouTube space? Okay, even today, I've heard of another Nigerian content creator that died. Another Nigerian content creator died today, of which I don't know if the family wants to make it positive, make it public. That's why I don't want to call name. We lost someone on the Nigerian community today. Is this how we'll continue? Do we think we are going to live forever in this space? We have children. Our children will come and see how we are insulting other people. What are we teaching them? In future, is it because of money? Because of dollar? Because of small dollar? We'll just be insulting people anyhow, using languages that will not take, dishing out what we cannot take. Please, when we want to react, let us make it constructive and let us use calm languages. Something that when the person, it's not all about views and money, oh. This thing is not all about views and money. My people will say, abacho so agua mile. When you finish running, you start counting miles that you've run, where you've run to. This money that we are talking about, there is a time, even you that is doing the reaction, you won't have peace of mind again. You're seeing the money, but you don't even have peace of mind to enjoy the money. They are negative content creator. My condolence to the family. Thank you, sir. We lost one of us. I think last week. You people will shout when you hear the news. I don't know if the family want us to broadcast it. That's why I've been quiet about it. Because I don't want to come and broadcast what the family has not broadcasted. Because I don't know how they will feel when they hear it. One of us died. Eh? We are going to die. One day, all of us that are creating this content will be no more. If people come and watch our video, how do we want them to see us? That's the question. Let love lead. Let us have peace. Let us stop creating all these harsh content, insulting people's family, using different language. Even if someone has offended you in life, to err is human. To forgive is divine. I was shocked to hear it too. May her soul rest in peace. Amen. I don't want to mention the name of the person yet. I don't know if the family would like me to mention the name of the content creator. She's 45,000 subscribers on this YouTube. And she died. She's no longer, as we are speaking, she's in the mortuary. Yet we are here fighting ourselves. Ebo Media died. He was 40-something thousand subscribers. He died. Why will we be fighting ourselves? Because of dollar. Because of dollar. We are fighting ourselves. If our children come and see all these things, how will they feel? I'm even becoming very emotional. If our children come and see this thing tomorrow, how will they feel? You guys have chased us away from this YouTube space. We can no longer comment again because you don't want to comment so that the other person will not feel so bad. You don't want to comment so that your friend will not see you commenting in another person. Yet you don't have problem with the person. All right, I will not mention her name yet. Because of dollar and euro, fighting ourselves, calling ourselves name for what? When will all these things end? When will it stop? Let us have peace here. Look for other content and do if you know that you are insulting. If you know you are insulting, look for another content to do. How can you be creating content insulting people's parents, people's children, people, and you expect them to be happy? They will never be happy. One day you will die. What will you leave as legacy? Your legacy will be quarrel. Your legacy will be harsh content. Your legacy will be, your children will be seeing you say stupid, nonsense, craze everywhere. Enough. Enough, please. It's okay. Can we have peace? Can we have peace? So that people can be sharing our content so we can grow. Can we have peace? So that we can collaborate with each other again. Can we have peace? Nigerian YouTubers, I'm talking to you guys. Can we have peace? Enough. Enough is enough. Every time quarrel, you open YouTube space to watch somebody, you're seeing arguments, quarrel. Before you know it, me, I've even decided that I'm no longer commenting on anybody's video for the sake of my peace of mind. Because I don't even know what I'll go and write there that another person will feel bad. Oh, she's not commenting on my own, but she's commenting on the other person's own. Meaning she loves the person. Their legacy will be backbiting. It's time for them to change. Honestly, they need to change. No, people need to stop all these things. Because of what? Because of dollar, pounds, and euro. Are you that hungry? Are you that hungry that you prefer everywhere to be basbos? You prefer everywhere to be trouble. To err is human. To forgive is divine. If I've offended anybody in the course of this my video, please, I apologize. Please forgive. Let us have peace. Let everybody forgive. Stop your content. Stop creating your content. Everybody should stop. Let's go back to when we see lifestyles, when we see different type of contents and we are happy, when we share ourselves, when we collaborate with ourselves. Let us go back to that era. I miss it so much. I miss it so much, guys. I miss it so much. I'm tired of the basbos. I'm tired of watching basbos. Every time trouble. This one did this, the other one did that. That's what is happening right now on the Nigerian youth. I wish they will all settle this dispute one day. They need to settle it. If they die now, what will happen to their soul? Where will they go to? What legacy are they leaving? Ask yourself this night, if you are among those that have grudge for your fellow YouTuber here, that have said, I will never forgive this person, I will never do this thing. Ask yourself, if I live here now, what next? If I die now, what next? Honestly, it's very, very heartbreaking. Please, let us have peace. For once, let me wake up and go and comment on people's video. Let me share people's video again. Let's have peace. So that it will not look as if you like this person or you're taking side. People like us don't want to take side. I don't like taking side. I'm the type of person that wants to be indifferent. I don't want to meddle in people's business. Because I might come now that I'm trying to fight for you, and I will be the person that everything will land on. Please, for the sake of our children, for the sake of our tomorrow, let us have peace. If you want to title a video, ask yourself, this title I'm giving, if somebody should title it against me, how will I feel? Ask yourself that. Is it because of the money? I don't like watching Nigerian YouTubers again. They all irritate me. You imagine. They all irritate me now. Must we? There are a lot of celebrities to react to. A lot of news to react to. Sinezeville, she's doing so well. I'm even thinking of content that I will create that will be looking like hers. So that me too, I can do well like her. We are here fighting ourselves. We can't share ourselves again. Because of too much of basbos, hatred and everything. I know that success brings jealousy. It brings, but then, we all must not grow. Have it in mind, if you're coming to this YouTube space, don't be desperate. You might start YouTube and many people will pass you. It's real. Even in your house, your younger brother can be more than you. Last born can do more than first born. Do more than all the children in the house in future. It doesn't matter. What matters is for you to be contented with what you have. They give us they give us sleepless nights. Please come and see complaint. You people give them sleepless nights. Please. Ngozi Ajere Abi Ajere. Hey, they give us sleepless nights. Please, I can't come to YouTube and comment again. I can't share videos again. Can we have peace? Please, if you're among all those that this thing because I don't even know who I'm going to say. All these things are just misunderstanding. We should find a way to have peace. Every person is doing the way he has learned and the way he thinks is better. We err. We should find a way to forgive. When you've made mistake, you should come out and ask for forgiveness. Come out and ask for forgiveness. Don't dwell on the past. So many things would have been long forgotten if we had forgotten about it completely. I'm so disappointed in them. Please, you need to. I am. Everybody shouting everywhere. I just watch now and mind my business. I just watch and mind my business. That's what I do. Please, let us have peace so that we can for once love ourselves again. We can for once share. There are new YouTubers now that can't even grow, except they go and do some kind niche that is not okay. Because of all these basketballs, before you share your fellow YouTubers, they are making good content, they are growing. But now, many people have even stopped sharing because of all these things. Jealousy, envy, backbiting, and all that. Please, all these things should end. Let us have peace in this Nigerian community. I hope that even if it's one person, let this video touch this night. Amen. Please, guys, sorry, I was just pouring my mind. Maybe it's because of the news of the deaths I heard today. I don't really know why in fact, this life is nothing. It's vanity. We are just fighting ourselves for nothing. We want to grow. We finish growing. What happened? Married women, for that matter, I wonder how their husband cope with them. Is well. Please, I beg us, please. There are some people at the background that suffer. When two elephants fight, it is the ground that suffer. When two elephants fight, it is the ground that suffer. Okay, let me use the case of Choice TV and Lily Pope to make example. Choice TV is somebody that we started with. In fact, I've grown to love her. Lily is someone that is from my part. I also love her so much. Now, who should I choose? Please? I will just come. The other day, I came on live. Immediately, I said hi on Choice TV. I now saw that the matter was Lily. I just decided to leave because I don't want to comment anything or say anything. Sometimes I will just watch at the background and leave. I will not comment because I want to have my peace of mind. Please, you people are fighting, oh. We are the ground, we are the ones suffering it. We are the ground, we are the ones suffering it. Please, let us have peace so that ekwueme can see my video and share it for free without asking for money. Okeke can see my video or another person's video and share it like before. They share people's video before. Many of us grew because of sharing. Then when the people came in, they saw that the person was making a good content. They sticked. Many of us grew through sharing. But now, they can't share our video again because of basketballs. We have yes, I have. And even this story of motherhood, back then we used to do all this sub for sub together with her. Story of Motherhood has a group then, they call Notification Gang. I was part of the group then. We hustled together. So tell me who I should support. Should I go and be supporting Lily? I should be supporting Choice. Who should I support when none of them looked for my trouble directly? And all this quarrel, all these things are just misunderstanding. Everybody is doing the way my people will say, kucheala. What it means is that the way your mind is or your brain is, that's the way you will act. Some people, they are not that exposed. Some people, their environment, their culture permits some things. Okay, let me use Hausa as for example. When you travel to the north, in the Hausa land, if you are blind, they call you, blind man, come here, and you will answer and come. But in the east, you dare not see a blind man and call the person, blind man, come here. Are you okay? Are you trying to remind the person of his predicament? Environment grooms people. The way I will do because I grew up in the north is different from the way this person will do because she grew up in the east. Please, let us have peace. I'm glad I'm beginning to see peace videos everywhere. But I'm seeing another dust rising in Kenyan side. Please, let all these things end. Let's all have peace, please. Those of the Nigerian community doing creating Kenyan content. Ella suitable. Whether the other Ella went to even do, because of all these gbasgbos and all these things. Sometimes it's the subscribers that create all this problem. Oh. Some kind comments they will drop. If you did not intelligently answer or reply that comment, you will just create trouble for yourself. You will just create trouble for yourself. The Kenyan community I'm talking about now. There's another gbasgbos. I could remember when Ella was doing a midnight prayer on live stream because of all this quarrel, all this little misunderstanding that would have been settled amicably. I'm sorry. The person that is wrong would say, I'm sorry. There are magic words. Back then when we were young, there is this song they sing. There are magic words that we know. I think 5 magic words, I be there are 7. They will say, thank you, excuse me, pardon me, I'm sorry. They are all magic words. You tell the person, I'm sorry. It will not remove your shirt. Look at me saying, I'm sorry, oh, I'm sorry, oh. Is he removing my shirt? Is he removing my hair? I'm sorry, oh. Is my hair falling out? Why can't we just bring ourselves down? My dear, no be small thing. My dear, honestly, I'm just tired. That's why I'm making this live. Plus the death of the person. I beg, no share it. Not tear your shirt. Why I go tear my shirt? I'm sorry, no they keep person. It doesn't wound you. It doesn't injure you. Pride will not allow them. What is pride? Say I'm sorry. You've erred. You say I'm sorry. You say it. It's very, very simple. It's 3 words together. I am sorry. You say it and everything will die off. That is another part of choice I like. Oh. Because if you remember during that ekwueme something, she came out and said she's sorry. She came out and said she's sorry. And when she says she's sorry, a lot of keyboard, what will I call them? Keyboard machines. They are the ones that they will still be typing. The person is not typing all those things. For some people, saying I'm sorry is not easy. Please, they have to learn. In this world that we are, you have to learn how to say I'm sorry. Nobody is perfect. This video that I made now, if you come here to look for the negative part of this video, you will see it. If you look for positive parts of this video, you will see it. That negativity you are looking for, you will see it in this video. If you're a negative reactor and want to use the negativity in this video to make video, definitely you will see it. If you're a positive reactor and want to use the positivity in this video to make this video, you will see it. Can we have peace, please? Me, I'm tired of hiding. I'm tired of hiding myself. Let us have peace. Let us have peace so we can be sharing ourselves, so we can grow together like before. So the younger ones coming in can grow like before. Let us have peace. Is well. Is well. You people have just made me to turn to a mad woman. I'm mad now. I'm mad. Because I'm shouting. They are not humble at all. I don't know. Sometimes I'll be thinking, could it be the money? Could it be really this person is angry? Could it be that they are catching cruise? I'll just be thinking, what really is the problem? See how I'm sweating. And there is AC here. And I'm sweating like this because of Nigerian YouTubers. It's well. Please, let us have peace. With this, I think I should end this video now. Let me go and rest. I hope that the message has been passed. Please, let us forgive each other. Let us love each other. Let us have peace. I pray that when this video comes to you, pick the positivity in this video and go with it and throw away the negative part, because nothing is perfect. Not even a content that is perfect. There is no content that is perfect. There is no content that average view duration will be exactly what you made. Thank you so much. I appreciate Ngozi. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you all. And please, happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a nice day. I hope you guys had a nice day. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah. Thank you. Bye bye.